Hello everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can add someone to Google Chat. The process is actually very simple. As you can see, we're on the Google Chat web page right now. What you need to do, whether you're on your PC or mobile phone, you'll see something called New Chat. So you just need to click on this. And from there, you need to actually at first create a space. And even if you don't want to, you can see directly if you search someone and they come up. As you can see, for me it doesn't come up. So what we need to do is actually create a space at first. Let's say we name it solution and then create it. Now once we are inside the solution, what we need to do is click on add members, and then you need to put in the email of the person that you want to add. Let's say this is the person we want to add, so we're going to click on add. And as you can see, this person has been invited, so they have to go on their end, accept it, and once they do it, it will be added, and this is how you can finally do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.